Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about hard water stains and how to remove them naturally. Now, if you're like me, we live on a well and we have super hard water. We even have a water softener and we still get those ugly hard water spots. Now, I'm going to show you a quick and natural way to get rid of them. Now, bear with me. It's been a while since I've cleaned this because I wanted to show you this hack and how well it works. Okay, so we are here in the shower and this is my shower handle, and as you can see, there are so many water spots. It looks disgusting, I know. But I've let this go for quite some time just to show you, even if you neglected it, it can still be clean. And for this tutorial, we're going to be using just some white distilled vinegar, and then I put that into a spray bottle here, and it is not diluted, so just go ahead and pour that directly into the spray bottle. And then we're also going to be using a brush. Okay, so all you're going to do is take that spray bottle that you have the vinegar in, and we're just going to douse it. And then we're just gonna let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And if you don't like the smell of vinegar, I do suggest putting on your fan in your bathroom, and that will just kind of help get some of those vinegar smells out. All right, we are back after about 3 to 5 minutes or so. Now, I have done absolutely nothing. All I did was spray it, and let's look at the magic happen. So I'm just gonna take this brush and look how it is already completely gone. I have done nothing but sprayed it and took this this scrubber around. Wow, look at that. Holy cow. It is beautiful. I haven't even rinsed it off or anything. Look at that. Look at that. All of the spots are completely gone. All of them. Everything looks so good. Wow. Can you believe how easy that was? Well, if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe, give us a like, and let me know down in the comments below if this worked for you. You can also use this on your kitchen sink, your kitchen faucets. So anywhere you see those hard water stains, just get the vinegar in the spray bottle and spray it down, let it sit, and get a scrubber, and you will be good to go. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!